Alright guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I will be replacing the fan on this upright heavy-duty commercial vacuum cleaner. This is a Sanitaire heavy-duty commercial. Not all are the same, however, the procedure it's very similar on a lot of them. So let's get this done. Alright, as you can see, there is a piece of belt coming out. That's not good. So the first thing, we have to pop up this cover. It's for the roller and the belt cover. So you do that by pushing these little clips out, and then you remove the cover. And see, you can see this thing, it really got broken into pieces. They probably vacuum a large metal object or something. All right, so this is fairly easy. You have these two Phillips screws there that you have to remove. And we gotta remove this, and then we gotta remove that. And this thing, it will get popped out like this. Okay, see, you probably have to move these clips again a little bit farther out, so that way you can remove the cover. And bingo, you can see all the pieces. It's been pretty damaged. I don't see what they vacuum, but anyway. Now this, you unscrew this. Now if this is pretty tight, then you probably have to get a channel lock like underneath to hold the shaft, and then you remove this with another channel lock. Right now on my case, I got lucky that it's loose, so I don't have any problems. I have this little gasket right here that it's holding a lot of hair, so I'm gonna pull all that hair out. A good knife, it will help to remove all that out of the way. It's hair collected over time. So try to remove all the hair you can. You don't want that anything right there. All right, and of course we're gonna proceed by removing all the broken pieces of the fan. And also, well, I'm gonna clean this up. All right, so 1, 2, and 3. All right guys, so now it's clean. All right, I'm also gonna clean this a little bit right here. Now you see this roller. Well, right now it's a good chance to take everything that it's on this slot, because that also persuades the fan to get broken, because if the belt gets out of alignment, so you take all the crap out. See? All right. So this is how it is. If you have the time, you can clean all that up really good to do a good maintenance on the vacuum clean it. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm just showing you how to install the fan. But one thing you want to make sure is that it's pretty clean right there. All right, on the slot. And I'm gonna show you how to put the belt in just a few minutes. All right, so we're gonna put the fan. And I see something wrong in here, and I think this gasket is gonna be, it has to be pulled out. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we're talking. Now we're gonna put the fan, and the gas that we took out is just gonna go on top. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna put the bolt belt shaft back on, because this is what's I want to take all the hair out of the shaft. Remember, everything that is stuck there, it makes not to function properly. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, it went out of the range of the camera, but anyway, what I did is that I cleaned this up real good. Gonna put it back on. You don't have to super tight this, okay? Because then it'll be. Now we're gonna put the cover back on, but before I do that, I'm gonna clean it up, and I'll come back to you. Alright, so I'm back. It's time for me to put the cover. Make sure the gasket is on properly. This little gasket right here. It's kind of like a thin gasket and comfortable, but anyway. So this, you will put it in this end first, like that. And then have to push the those pins back. Oh, wait a minute. That one right here. There's wrong. Oh no. Gasket came out, so I'm gonna put it back on. Like I told you, gotta make sure the gasket is on, otherwise dust can get into it. It's a little bit tricky. That's okay, got it. Now we put the bolts back on to hold the cover. And one on this side. Okay, turn it with your hand, make sure it's freely, it looks good. Now the belt, this is important, the belt. If you notice right here, there's a notch or a canal, and it has to match the canal on the on the roller. It has to match this canal and this one right here. So let's go ahead and put it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the roller out. I want you to see this. There's like points pointed down. That has to be facing down. I'm gonna put the roller, but before I put it on, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, this pointing thing. Okay, now we're gonna introduce roller, leave it on the slot, put the roller back on the proper notches, pull it with both of your thumbs. Now the belt, it is important which way it goes. If you put it this way, it's not gonna match the channel. So this is the proper way that it goes. Just grab it with both fingers and see, it has to match that canal right there. That means that you got it right. And now the only thing we had left to do is put the other cover back on, the main cover, and we're done. All we have to do is test it. But before I do that, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so I came back with the cover. It has these two notches on the end, and it has to match those pins. We just put it back and clip it, and job done. Brand new fan, and it should last quite a bit. Now we're gonna test it. Alright guys, how it works. It's working really good. Alright, job done, and see you in another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Please make sure you subscribe, because the next video I'm gonna make, it's gonna be just so epic. Laters.